In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the matrix visualization in Power BI. The matrix visual is perfect when you want to see your data in a grid that can break things down by categories across rows and columns, similar to a pivot table. It helps you compare values side by side and spot patterns quickly, all within your Power BI report. To get started, look at the Visualizations pane in Power BI. Find the matrix icon. It looks like a small table, but a few of the cells are shaded blue, so it stands out from the standard table visual. If you hover over it, you'll see the name to confirm you've got the right one. Click it once, and Power BI will drop a blank matrix visual onto your report canvas. The visual appears immediately, and you can select it to move it around the canvas or drag its corners to resize it. This doesn't change your data. It just helps you lay out your page the way you want, so your matrix has enough space to display clearly. Now, it's time to bring your data in. On the right side, open the data pane to see your tables and fields. Simply drag the fields you want and drop them onto the matrix on the canvas. As you do this, Power BI automatically organizes them. Categorical fields will typically populate rows and columns, while numeric fields will summarize values inside the grid. For example, dragging a product category might create your rows, dragging a region might create your columns, and dragging a sales amount will show totals at the intersections. If you drag a numeric field, Power BI aggregates it by default, often as a sum. That's normal and helps you see totals right away. If your matrix looks empty, it usually means no fields have been added yet, so just drag the fields directly onto the visual until you see the data fill in. You can also reorder fields by dragging them again if you want a different arrangement. That's really all there is to creating a matrix. You click the matrix icon, it landed on your canvas, and you drag the fields you want to show. From here, you can keep the setup simple or explore more options later, but the core steps you've learned are all you need to start analyzing your data in a clear, structured way. And there you go. Your matrix visualization is ready.